Cut.
Welcome to the place where you want a good time. Just the fun and the place where you open your mind. And just the fun and we don't want to see it done. Just the fun, laughing the drop down. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Welcome to the place where...
Come on. Black. Yeah. When I don't know see me ever in a mood, you know. Who else? Yeah, you too. It's my think you run. Oh, come here. Black. Dan Raga G Wagwan. Riva Diva. Where you search back me there? My show say around the arms house me there, you know. But I work. Yo, Victor Ranks. You have to send on the money, you know, so I can go book the studio, so I can do the tune. Yo, dear me. Alice all night, where I say? Big up yourself. What kind of work we do? My show say me arms house there, get ready. Shoot a scene for the next episode, you see me? But I trade you a wait pan, I'm out to do I shoot some B-roll. Carrot, I love your commercial, way you know, with grace. Yeah. Big up, respect, see?
Give me a minute. Alright.
Yeah, whatever.
Yo.
Blocked. Where's the start time?
Not yet. I saw where the phone now. Let's capture some more B-roll footage. Reminder, Arms House, you stick to the script. And Carrot, you have to improvise off a theme line. See?
Yeah, regular routine. My thing pot.
Alright, that more here. Arms House, you and Carrot should do a quick rehearsal, you know. So I can tighten it up before I start shoot. I know it's not really necessary still, but I just say. Anyway, I see first.
All I go on and tread. I cater for them on set, you know. To feed the cast. How you deal it?
No watch nothing, man. We're done to get some fried chicken on the chef.
I swear that sound like a good idea, you know, celebrity. What you say?
Yo, I'm still there. Yes, yo, I'm gonna show you already say I work, man. Besides, you know, on the profile picture, it's a black dot. You can't ask me no question. Black.
Yo, Carrot. Start coming like that, obsessed with them people I have. Wow, put on the phone, man. I'll come do a test run on the lines before the thread come in already.
Yo, my peeps, me link on the back. Go on, big up on yourself. Hold on there. Yeah, you diss me early out and run up the timeline. Hide. You know, long well wants your surface so we can deal with the case. Black. Get you out of here. Yo, people, look more. Yo, I'm to Arms House. Oh, you interrupt my life them way there.
You know, say a time and place everything, my general. Alright, now just a fun time, you see me?
Star, I notice from me I shoot a new episode there, you know. Every time I life do a scene, you pressure me about rehearse. Yo, a long time I do this, you know. It's supposed to well seasoned by now. I don't know about you know, but I'm born to do this.
I agree with you 100%, my general. That's why I try to get like you. So you know, so we have to take this acting thing as serious, because we're not born with it. Yeah, go on like say, forget, say, me name Arms House, a.k.a. Mr. Big Time our boss. So go and work with me, my general, so we can go and develop my craft and groom my acting chops, you see me?
Pork chops you dealing, man. Go on where I go. Boy, acting chops.
Just cool, my general. I could just at least run through it one time before the thread come in and start record, see it?
You see me? I don't like nothing until the camera roll, you know. Because we got all day right now, I do all the run through. And I do all the Oscar-ready performance. And what? You know, capture. So I deal it. You see my technique now. You just give me a direction. And say, Carrot, go on through. You want to say action. I just make it do what I do. You see me? Me is what I'm gonna call an improvisational master of the craft, yeah?
Yeah, superstar. Here you.
Alright, make this be the last time, see? You can deal with them rehearsal thing there with the rest of the crew, but just know say Carrot thinks it different, yeah?
Respect, my general. So, you go out the door so we can let you in, so we can start it.
No. I take it from the party. I'm done in the house already. I'm there on the couch. And you done give me a cup of tea. That part there.
It's all good, But you just want to run through it as real as possible, you see me? So what, you ready?
I thought you want to try to keep the feel as real. But if you really want to keep it real, you'd really put on the kettle. You'd really put some Milo in a cup. I'd really put some condensed milk in there. I'd really make me a cup of Milo. You see me? You don't think me see the real so far. Give me a real empty cup. You see me?
Shut me general, no shall just tell me that, man. Alright, I say no more. So time we start shoot for real, do the action there for real, see?
Yeah, now you talk. I want to really put some nutmeg in it too, see? But I want to make it too sweet. Yeah, let me get into position, because I don't know, so boy, I have to go dig deep for that one, yeah. Because I have to get extra emotional upon a scene there, you see me?
Alright, so after I give you some warm to help calm you down, it no work. So I'm still try to get to the crooks. How I really bother the eye, see it? So I'll take it from the part there.
Yeah, that part.
General, just kind of cue me in, little, see? Just say action.
Action.
Boy, Carrot, can't understand why all them things that would I reach a youth like you. Well, we have a faults on them things, but for the most part, that is a real article youth.
I know what them things that reach me, I have to know, I know. I go through it, I'm so submerged, I go through it. But I'm sure the more I knock on the door. Yeah, deal with it, boy. Yeah.
Simon Bridget, John, what I face, Bridget.
Come like says that joke thing you're dealing. Like you want to come clown out my craft. Yeah, you say you want to do this,
General, sorry for that professionalism. See, clown out that craft. Never that, my brethren. I just start. I look on the eye and I say, John was star. That wicked star. That nail the thing, brethren. John was star. It's like they really born for do this. So I said, we can crack it one more time.
Get it together, rude boy. I don't go here, get like me. Alright, I run it again.
Respect me, General. Alright, see there. Carrot. I can't understand why them things they would have reach a youth like you. Well, we have a files on them things there, But for the most part, that is a real article youth.
That's the things what we don't say. Me I hear things what we don't hear. Can't get no relief. We need some help. Please.
Even should have fixed you up some crackers and cheese. I seriously, whenever I improvise that, my budget, that's in that script. Mama say me get a written script from Trade, but it make you improvise. So it's like say, you say please, and the lines I'm giving right, this is say crackers and cheese. So that trigger me. I swear. Yo, sorry again, superstar. What I say? One more time.
No, you're the pay one with that. I go and deal with my fans until trade ready. Yeah? But you can do that in the meantime. I go and practice make the Milo and prepare the crackers and cheese. Thank you, please.
Good man, I got it. I just want to run through it still, you see me? So you want cream crackers or water crackers?
Me go and work with the two of them, So, you know no more of them regal biscuit that I get from down my beer.
No, I don't know more of them. But Sandrina come up next month, She could have cab some more.
It's all good. I go and deal what I have. So I say, you have a bigger cup than this man can go and mix the Milo,
No say nothing, man. I got you.
Yeah. 700 people in here already. 720. Like Instagram, I send out the notification them on time and correct. Because I come in faster and faster from a day. Not really a thousand yet, but Trade could have soon come in and want to start, so I'm going to vibe the thing. Carrot on Instagram live and I know the vibe. What go on? Where I say me see Stindian? No, when I start shoot it, Still a wait for Trade him out the door. I don't know what I'm deal with. That's why I say, like how I'm just keeping place clean. The man that doesn't do that kind of knows that Trade come in and come shoot.
Carrot, don't bother with it, People are somebody place stay every day.
Drop me away, man. The man has keeping place clean, you see me? Boy, no matter what me do, I can't get rid of the road to my from Instagram live star. But my bacon there. Which part the run gone? Come here. I come talk about my boot. Them look like them big and stink. Come here. Shady, come here, Roach. Psst. Black. Done with you.
Yo, you ready? I
Hey,
phone the
man.
time now, no?
Yo,
Yo,
me
sorry
link
for
on the
take
back.
so long. We left on the
Start
phone with
time.
RFM. Carrot, them want to know what you do with the song. But anyway, we can deal with that a little more. Because we deal with the issue at hand right now. Well, I say one take, right?
Yeah.
Oh, my
I don't know
you
about
adjust the
arms
white
out
balance,
still.
right?
Eh?
Oh, you said FPS to 24?
Yeah.
Alright, good. Tell them to come in with the clapboard.